Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Ascension Island. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to do this through your mobile device, as I have opened this on my mobile device. Now this is the home page of the government site. You can see they have like help and FAQ. So I believe this is what you should read first, that who is allowed to enter and who not, and who needs a visa, who doesn't need. Okay. Plus there are visa categories that uh, you would like to know about. Okay. And how cost and other things, all these things you should be aware of. So once you are through all of that, go to the home page where you have this start application. So first select your nationality. So I'm doing it like a sample, but you do it as per your own case. Okay. Okay, so you can see it's in 6 tabs. 6 is payment, first is personal, second passport detail, third visa, fourth declaration, 5 review. First name, last name, email, confirm email. So this is basically a kind of registration. Password, phone number, mobile number, gender, marital status, date of birth. Just do it as per your own case. Country of birth. Any information you enter here, you check it at least 2 times. Address detail and next. So I'm gonna fill these and gonna go to next, and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so the next is passport details. So check your passport and then put these details, and anything you put, you have to check it 2 times. There is no exception about this. So I put some sample details, but you do it as per your case. Now upload a file and then tap on next. Okay, then we'll go to the visa section. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. This is about uploading your own photo. Okay, that really shows your face. Next is the visa details, visa type to begin with. So I select visitor, the reason for visit, visiting family, friends, other. I select just other. Expected arrival date, let's say June. I'm entering. Arriving by, let's say, air, flight. Then came expected departure date. Okay, departing by. Do you have accommodation arrangement? I select yes. So just put the information where you're gonna stay and then tap on next. I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. This is a declaration. Have you traveled to this island before? Are you traveling alone? Have been issued a visa for any other countries in past 5 years? What countries have you visited? 5 years. Just answer these questions as per your own case and then go to next, where you will review all the answers that you have provided, and then payment. Of course I'm not going to do the payment, but this is how it works, guys. So let me know what you feel about it, guys. So thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.